Hi everyone, it's Justine here from House of Mahalo. Thanks so much for joining me. It'll just be a quick video because I wanted to share some new kits that I've got finished. I'm just going to do a flip through of those, but I also wanted to let you know about I've got a discount in my Etsy shop all week this week, and also I have a bundle offer that is up for this week as well, which is all of my kits for just $12. And I wanted to share that as well because if you wanted to get just individual kits, either these or any of my previous kits or anything from my Etsy shop, then everything is individually discounted this week. But if you wanted all of my kits for an amazing amazingly low price of $12, then I do also have a bundle offer which is not in my Etsy shop. So all of those links will be down below. But for today, I just wanted to share with you the new kits that I have got done. So this is the autumn one. Now, I admit that I actually finished this a while ago. I haven't done a flip through because obviously I haven't really been around here on YouTube. So I just wanted to share it today. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. So this one is 20 pages and it's called Letters from Fall. So the idea is that it's an autumnal kit with all, pumpkins, and I've done sort of like, I wanted to do an autumn kit that felt very pretty, and I've really wanted to do a kit like this with all the letters and everything. I'm hoping that the camera is picking it up. But I didn't want it, I wanted to do autumn and fall in my way, where it's not bright orange and it's not quite so in your face. It's a hint of autumn. So this is kind of what this kit is about. So, and then, we've got all the letters. So the idea is that you're writing home in the autumn fall months, and there's lots of like vintage text and stuff. So if I bring it in, can you see? This might be my favorite page. So this is the house, the home that you're sending the letters to in the countryside with all of the autumn leaves around, and then we've got the flowers and we've got the autumn leaf background. Here's another letters page. So I thought this would be really fun for journaling. So if you imagine, this is the page in your journal, you can make your notes on these little letters. I thought that would be really fun. But then obviously the background itself is light enough that you can journal on many of these pages. And we've got this one as like the flowers go top and bottom all the way around. Hopefully I've got you in the right place. I realised that maybe not holding the camera quite right. This one we've got some birds in an autumn wreath echoed throughout, and then again the flowers, and again the background, as I say, it's there's like autumn leaves in the background. Hopefully it'll pick it up, but I've done an overlay over the top to make the background more faded, so that you can write on there and still have the hint of autumn, but still have them be writing pages. Then we've got this one with the bird on the right hand side this time, and then the letters here. This is probably another of my favourite pages where, again, so this is your journal page, and I've added memories there so you can write down some notes, and again there. As you can see, the pumpkins and the flowers and everything are echoed on every page. And then this one, and then it's got some like vintage text in the background. Yeah, really happy with these kits. And then again, some letters, different envelope this time with the wreath. And again, another one of the sort of like faded backgrounds with the leaves and the flowers. The bird. And the backgrounds, so this is like a different leafy background. So although they're similar and they go all together, there are different backgrounds. Then we've got the leaves without, so this is without the glazing over the top, just in case you wanted something that was more vibrant. And then I've got, so these are the backing papers now. So I've got like a creamy beigey damask, and then there's like, can you see there where there's like cracked paper and walls and stuff? This one is one of the autumn leaf backgrounds, and it's got writing over the top. Very faint. Again, these are, you know, primarily for journal pages, backing pages, but and then this is the damask with a hint of text. Again, it's very faint. You probably can't see it on video, but it is there very faintly in real life. This one, we've got the a different autumn leaf background with text again. And then this one is the same autumn leaves from the beginning, but it's got the faded background, and it's got some text, and then I've also done some like distressed splashing on it. So that's that one. Really happy with that. And then I've got two sort of background pages that are, they were like bright crimson red, so I toned them down a little bit and added some distressing to them. And they kind of look like almost like a linen type of effect on them. And then this is like a damask one where it's got like, yeah, it's kind of like a fabric is what it looks like. But yeah, so those are obviously like a darker plum kind of colour, but I thought they coordinated well with the flowers where there's a little bit of the hint of the dark red or the plum sort of colours, just in case you wanted a slightly different look. So that is the Letters from Fall journal pages, and there are 20 pages in total. And then I've got my winter kit this year, which is called Winter Berries, and this one is 16 pages. And again, these are primarily with the idea that you can write on many of the pages. So a lot of the pages have this sort of blue, pale blue damask, and then it's got, I don't know how well you're able to see that there are snowflakes on there. And then all of the pages have this fun background, not fun background, fun like edging, which is sort of like a crystal ice blue. And I thought that was really fun. And then, so this kit is a hint of red, mainly blue, but a hint of red for the festive season. So this is one of the writing pages where you can write there, and of course you can write on both sides. And again here. So you can see that it's mainly winter, but there's just a hint of Christmas where we've got a bit of the red coming through, and this one has like presents and poinsettias and things. Candy canes, but then we've got the holly and the pine cones, so this could fit, you know, winter projects, not just Christmas. And again, you can write on many of the pages. We've got a robin and some red berries, and then there's like snow and everything in the background. This might be one of my favourite pages. So this one is, I've tried to make it look like a moon, don't know, an abstract moon, and then it's got all of the like pine cones and poinsettias and things around it. And we've got, I believe these are cardinal birds, and we've got berries, and then this is one of the like slightly different background where it's like snowflakes and like a gold frame, and then it's sort of like a frosted glass. Here's another one of the wintry Christmassy type pages where again we've got presents and boots and baubles and things. It's a slightly different moon, smaller moon, but again same sort of idea. And we've got cardinals, different this time with frosted berries. And then some of the pages are flipped over on the reverse. So we've got the baubles frame page, and this time it's a different part of the candy cane and pine cone sort of wreath. And then this one. And then I've done a few backing pages where they're not so much landscape, they are journal pages, but if you just wanted the like the snowflake damask paper, then that's what that one is. And then these two are with that gold frame and the snowflake paper. And then I've done one which is the two sort of frosted frames. So that would be your journal page. So yeah, I'm really happy with both kits. I love them. I'm really, like, they were just what I wanted for autumn and in this case wintry Christmas type of journal kit. So those are both in my Etsy shop as we speak. And they are on discount for this week, as is everything else in my shop. For those of you wondering, I do have a printables by post listing in my Etsy shop now. I'm not printing ephemera, I'm only printing the pages from the kits. Mainly because my printer at the moment is not liking cardstock. So if you want the pages, I can offer those to you, printed as I've done here with presentation paper, which is a listing in my Etsy shop. For all of my kits, you just choose which kit you want. I have reduced the price. So before the discount, I reduced the price to highlight the fact that I wasn't doing ephemera. And that particular service is on discount this week. So double discount. Other than that, if you want all my kits, I definitely recommend checking out my bundle, which will also be linked down below, where you can get all of my kits, so everything that you see in my Etsy shop, plus bonuses that are not in my Etsy shop, and that will be for just $12 this week. And I think it's something crazy like $49 worth of digitals in one bundle, and you can get everything just for $12. Normal price for that is $17, but for this week only I'm doing it for $12. So I will link that below for you. And just to mention, as part of that bundle, you do get bonuses that are not in my Etsy. So for example, I've got pages that I've designed where we've got this pine cone page, which kind of goes with that one, but it is its own individual thing. I've got this wintry page, and I've got this sort of Christmassy page. That is just an example of bonuses that you get in that bundle, where I've created, you know, many things over the last couple of years, and I've just put it all in one big bundle. So if you would like that, do check that out. If not, then my Etsy shop is on discount this week for everything that I sell, including some new stuff. I have some new stuff in my Etsy shop. So I've got the new kits, I've got the printables by post listing. I've listed some lucky scoops, so if you like the idea of getting a bag full of trims and charms and things, check that out as well. That's an exciting one, that was very fun to put together. So yeah, I've got lots of fun stuff for you to check out, and all of it is discounted this week. So I do hope that you will consider looking at that. If not, I hope you've enjoyed seeing these pretty kits. So for me, autumn kind of went really fast in a blip. So this year I did not get to do an autumn project in the way that I had envisioned when I was planning this kit. I have stuck with woodlands, but definitely I will do something with this kit in the future for sure. As for this one, we've not arrived in winter yet, so I think this will probably be the next kit that I'll work with myself. I do actually have a Yankee candle box, which is blue and red, mainly blue with pops of red, which I think might suit this kit. So that's what I might use it for. So stay tuned, I guess. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing those flip throughs. Thank you so much for joining me for those. As I said, yeah, it's been really fun learning all of this stuff over the last, couple of years, and I look forward to bringing more kits next year. And yeah, thanks so much for joining me, and stay tuned for what I might make next. Speak soon then, everyone. Thanks so much. See you soon.